everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reasonings with Chino. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn our revenue. And remember the backup channel, Trending Buzz Network. Go over there and show the girls some support over there, all right? Over there, so we talk about other topics, current affairs, trending topics, news, reviews, entertainment, and the whole works. And for all who say them can't find self, or not hear about self anymore, a true self no really in the mix up over here, so go over there, so a self over there, so self apparate that the channel there. All right, yes. Yes, my love. All right, my dear children, me say from morning I want to come out with that one, but you see when you're busy. When you're busy from man, I want to go chat the people them and tell them the things. My love, then my love, so don't know say. Another yard, me did go in another yard, me did go and go buck up in this year Toria. I said, no, my love. My love, this speed will be take off, you can't tell you this year, baba. I run well if all Agnes. I'll me look back and me no see Agnes yet. Agnes still a crawl, a come like a turtle, my love. I drop and dig up the whole of my caca hole. I jump fence, which bite me up, hands bite me up, all kind of thing take me, my love. But me decide say by any means possible, me have to carry this Toria Congo. No for me no gone none of them yard, you know, my love. A people yard, me go hear them business. For this I see, my love. Made it I forget to the bottom of this. My love God is worse than my love. When it come to things like these, my love, mix up like this, my love go to the sources, my dear children. My love, they have a saying, if you say cockroach, no business in a fall fight, for the two of them was bench and behind. Yes, the two of them was chamber and behind, but this your cockroach, yeah. This your cockroach, yeah. I have to go grow a shell like a turtle. This your cockroach, you got to grow a shell like a turtle, my love. Because me neck and neck up in this ya one ya me the children. Cause if a egg wouldn't know by now, if his egg I am into the red. And if his jacket me up into the top pocket. Speaking of jacket, uncle, you're wicked. Uncle, you turn tailor. Anyway, I mean I reach there so yet. But I wish part me did reach. If a jacket I am into the top pocket, and if a sperm, me are one of the worm. Come me up in this year, me this a dibble dabble in this year, one year me love. Then uncle, uncle, me love, me get fi understand say, uncle over there. I chat Queen Bee, me love. Queen Bee, me now call you out of your name in this year one year. Me know say you come out here come tell like pa me, and me have to come out here come cuss you and call you all kind of name. Me now call you all kind of name in this year one year. Me now call you out of your name. Me go call you Queen Bee into this one. For you'd never trouble me into this one. And me love, so don't know by now when you come to social media, me now have a soul in my stomach. Cause I two thing with me when it come to out here, you know. Two things. If you mess around with me, it's either me I go come out here, come cuss out back your backside, or me I go come joke you out and go about my business. Me no have no space in my stomach for carry no crowd in there. And me now come out here, come take your whole of social media, walk around in my stomach so that it go look like for uncle. Oh, me love look sexy. So me can't afford to have people up in my stomach for go start look like my uncle out here. That because, you know, Curly, I'm a great grand uncle. You didn't know say I'm a great grand uncle. You know, you me come out here, I call him uncle. You don't think me mean uncle like uncle. A far uncle, great grand uncle. Yes, my love, for all who never know, Mr. Curly is my great grand uncle. Yes, no. So, we get down in the topic with my great grand uncle, you know, my love, and Queen Bee, Baba. It's not all about me today. Me move past Queen Bee long time. So, my love, me don't go call Queen Bee out her name in this video, yeah. Father, me and she and my grand uncle. So, my loves now, me get to understand now, say, my grand uncle Curly over there. I chat Queen Bee, hey, and I talk about loyalty, and I said that Queen Bee is not a good friend. You know, she over there, I said quite a few things about Queen Bee now. So, me never really tarry to hear everything where she got to say about Queen Bee. For me, well want to hear the things them where Queen Bee got to say about my uncle. So, me love. Me left now and head back over for Queen Bee yard. Yeah. Me dear children. Hey. The things them when me hear, me love, the things them when me hear about my great grand uncle Curly out ya. Well, honestly, it not new to me. You understand, my love? It not new to me because if you not been listening a couple of us for years, you know here we been I say the same things, yeah. All our Queen Bee I say it was obvious. Only because they say we did a speak based on observation, but Queen Bee can confirm it. Because Queen Bee I come from four with her. Over a decade, yeah, them I come from four together. And as wicked and liars Queen Bee be out here, that me can talk of a first-hand experience that Queen Bee is a liar. Yes. So as wicked and as liars Queen Bee be out here, I go and believe this one. I go and believe this one. All if a lie she a tell pa me great granduncle me I go believe. So uncle over there, a fling stone and pebbles half a Queen Bee doing say him backbone no good for fling stone and the tool in the foot them way have where fi tickle jump can barely turn up pan. Fi balance himself fi fling rock stone. Sit down pan the bone and backside over there stone the woman and he reach back to the woman mellows. And the woman get some bold as me dear children and clot over me uncle traitor dirty. All now uncle can't get up. All now uncle spread out flat down there dirty can't get up. For them the breeder sent it when me hear Queen Bee cause about uncle. If I did anyone I will come out here cause say it uncle would have a trend for we. But between me and who know if you balaka say hey. Her true thing Queen Bee attack Queen Bee not telling any lies whatsoever. And uncle catching afraid because listening to Queen Bee, me love, there's a lot more where them there come from where she hang on pan no fling out here yet. Hey! My love, listening to Queen Bee more down there when no come out here yet and she hanging on pan it. So if you ever uncle no want Queen Bee fling them out here, you understand me? So uncle come out calm this morning. Uncle and what? Uncle, cat got your tongue, uncle? Uncle, does cat got your Coco got your tongue, uncle? Coco got your tongue. And the way how you come back out. Hey, this is not the uncle that we know. This is not the uncle that we know. So Queen Bee got something for you. Yeah. Queen Bee got something for your uncle. Then uncle had thought you said that she got no secret for you. I thought you said that she got no secret for your uncle. Lord, I love people business. And reasons like this, you know, my love. Reasons like this, why I love people business so much, you know. Me just love the uncle business, so. Me not love nobody business out here like how me love for uncle business. Me love hear about uncle business. They say, uncle, me did I wonder what you do for deserve this. I was wondering what you do for deserve this, uncle, but you deserve it. You deserve it and a whole lot more, uncle. Uncle, you frigga you. Uncle, you F-U-C-K-A you. Uncle, you F-U-C-K-A you. I don't want to call the word, you know, my love. I don't want to call that F word because I want to go through the pearly gates. But I can't help it. Uncle, you F-U-C-K-A you. Serve your right, uncle. Good for you. Me happy. Quite a few times me come out here come hear you shade the woman bad to bad. Bad to bad, quite a few times me you come out here come shade Queen Bee. And she no look for you. But I can't to her, you're not tap porky beer. You're not tap pork in the beer. Every minute you come out here, you're porky beer. You don't know say your porky beer one day more bite out your caca hole. Hey, uncle, you never know say one of these fine day the beer did come bite out your caca hole. You forgot say the same beer did come out here come make we know so you get eviction. Eh? You forgot that is the same beer did come out here come fling out your Tory out here before. You're not learning. Uncle, you're not learn. Uncle, you is a big disgrace. Big disgrace cause you know say you're not loyal to nobody. You know you're not loyal to nobody, you know uncle. And you come out here and cuss the woman about loyalty. You don't even have to come out here and say that about Queen Bee, because it's obvious Queen Bee not loyal to her soul out here. Then you don't realize Queen Bee chat everybody. And then conflicts to one go like I say, she know in a mix up and she chat everybody. And when you check it out, you know Queen Bee, I want to have biggest mix up out here because Queen Bee mix everybody. And then she see one come out here come cause, oh, the lip and Tina chain, and the lip and curly. Yeah, love talk about lip and curly. And the lip and Lorraine. And Queen Bee no better. Queen Bee no better. See, when Lada name pack her belongings and gone. Say she done with over here. Queen Bee go lift him up, came right back here. Queen Bee got the woman yard, go lift him up, came right back here, make Lada have to come out here, come chip bad word. So, uncle, you never have to come out here, come pipe that out about no loyalty. From the first year we go along with you and Queen Bee out here. And we find out, say, you and Queen Bee used to be bench and batty. For if summer, when we see Queen Bee at Elsha, your birthday party, them the time they didn't know about no Queen Bee anyway. But after we find out about this Queen Bee now, we think, you know what Queen Bee, you like somebody where you meet past social media, like enough of the people them where you meet out here. Whatever know say you and Queen Bee come from yonder, that you and Queen Bee I did nearly most family, we never know. How when they first year we go along with the town, you know, and a friend them the time that we can tell that Queen Bee is not loyal. So I know nothing strange here come out here talk last night. I know nothing new, it was obvious. But you're just frightened because you never know say Queen Bee go clap back in the way how she clap this morning. You're silent over there. You're silent. And you see where Queen Bee say, how you used to chat Lady D, you and her used to chat Lady D together. Even during the time where you claim say, you know a close friend and acquaintance. When you know a call, you know what that sister, serve Lady D right too. I'm not sorry for you. I do sorry for you, Lady D. You know why I'm not sorry for you? Because if you like I say, only you alone couldn't sit your uncle from day one. From day one, the whole of we found a meet at Canada, we could have seen the type of smaddy who uncle be. We could have read through uncle, we did say uncle colors, but you did too blinded, you couldn't see uncle colors. You have all uncle in your yard, only two you never invite uncle in your house and uncle Bex. But a good thing you never invite uncle in your house. But when anybody tell you nothing about uncle, you can cuss out the people them hurt ya. Cuss out the people them say ya defend uncle. Pick up uncle now, care uncle gone a birthday party with you. Serve your right, Lady D. If you not sorry for you, serve your right. Cause me no understand how you are discerning spirit them the time the Lady D never point out uncle to you. And you see all your uncle, you take your long out to go the woman party, go near man, you know say you was not with the woman. You know you never like the woman. Uncle are sorry they name you little Dilgin. Uncle are sorry they name you little Dilgin or little Brooklocks. You know your heart not clean towards the woman. You know you don't like the woman. You know you chat the woman. But you pick up yourself. Say you gonna birthday party. You could have KILL the woman. Look how close the woman did have you to her. They should have sprinkled little tears on by rat pie. Sprinkle little tears on by rat pie give with your long gut. Look how far you reach. Look how far you gone. All the little baby you not spear. All the little baby you not spear. You come and chat. For your money you not spend if the little boy want yam. For your money you not spend. You ever see Lady D come out here collect charity to feed him? You ever hear she come out here beg nobody for buy birthday gift feed like you? We come out here beg pampers and toys and books and the people then don't afford for you not even one pack of wipes they not give you for your little grand boy birthday. Not even a pack of wipes to show how the people then despise your nastiness. Uncle, you is a wicked little old man. You uncle, you is a wicked little old man. See your friend come out here come reveal it all. Reveal it all, call you all or. Call your biatch. So when you come out here come talk about people are sell front and people are or. You're speaking based on experience. Can listen to your friend, your or out for your young days. And even though you or out your young days, up in your whole stage, you know. Up in your whole stage, yeah. You're still a worry out. I don't be say to your friend can confirm it all. Your friend say, Member say, and today you're stagnant. And yesterday you're stagnant. And last month, last week, or last year you're stagnant. You're stagnant from the beginning. So shall it be in the end. Your friends say a long time you're stagnant. Your friends everybody know you're stagnant. Boy, uncle, me not lie. I feel it for you, me uncle, because your friend, she empty out the whole of your latitude, your longitude, and your attitude. Your friend disgrace your uncle. Your friend disgrace you. And Queen Bee can remind you again, say. God, all my cousins mix up in I. My granduncle Curly. Queen Bee, I remind you, say. Me no know what that mean, but it sound fishy, sound away. Queen Bee, I remind you, say. She say, remember, me cousin, that are your son. Remember, say, me cousin, quote unquote father is the brother of her stepfather. The man where raise her from, she a 9-year old. But the part where puzzle me uncle when she said quote and quote. Uncle, the part where puzzle me and when she said quote and quote. When she said the quote unquote father. I wonder if we got to call Maury. I wonder if we have to go call Maury Panda one here. So, uncle, you is a tailor too. Hey, uncle, you got a lot of things up under your belt. I never went no say tailoring was one of them, uncle. Because she said quote unquote father. That simple means that possibly uncle out here and make jacket and I give it away. Uncle making jacket and giving it away. Lord Jesus, I feel like I'm going to hook up with Mary, you know. I feel like I'm going to hook up with Mary. But that lie, uncle, you is a man of many hats. Many hats. And if you ever you is a excellent tailor out here, you love tailoring. Master God. She all said that. This smaddy where uncle come out here come present herself to me. This smaddy where she come out here this smaddy where come out here come present himself to be upon the media is far from what that Orin Biatch, so she said me love, is far from what that Orin Biatch. Why we fi believe uncle not rich, uncle broke. Uncle is not rich, uncle broke. I see uncle. Uncle, you know look like you are not comfy come back from this. Hey. Uncle, you know look like you got no comfy come back from this ya one ya. Queen be empty out. She empty out clean. Uncle not no left back out here. Not even a drip, not a dregs. Nothing. Uncle me here, she say something, you know, me I look into it and me I say, you know, say uncle is damn licky though. Uncle is damn licky. Me hear she say that. Say, anybody where they run you, if you not benefit from them, you no want them run you. Uncle, you're licky. Uncle, you're licky. And you is a user, uncle. What has Mr. Mellows? Not where Queen Bee has sent us surprise we because we've been observed that all these years. Only little workless, skillless members only them. No realize say the woman here I use them. Use them, I use them. But then again, when I look into it, them I use she, and she I use them back. So you know birds of a feather flock together, yeah, man. Birds of a feather flock. All of them deserve their one another. All of them deserve their one another, my loves. Anyways, we've come to the end of another video. Thank you all for tuning in. I may see you later in another video. Peace out. Much love. Bye-bye.